Before you say, "My English is bad," I want you to remember something important. There was a time when you could not speak your own language. There was a time when you made simple mistakes, when you said words incorrectly, when people corrected you. But nobody called you stupid. You were learning. So why are you so hard on yourself now? Stay with me, because in this video, you will understand the real reason you feel blocked and how to slowly remove that block. The invisible wall. Shyness creates an invisible wall. It is not grammar. It is not vocabulary. It is not intelligence. It is the fear of being seen struggling. When you speak English, you feel exposed. You feel that people can see your mistakes. You feel that people can hear your accent. You feel slower than your real personality, and that creates tension. Your shoulders become tight. Your heart beats faster. Your brain tries to protect you, so it says, better to stay quiet. This is not weakness. This is protection. But protection also limits growth. The comparison trap. Another reason shy learners stay silent is comparison. You listen to someone fluent. You see someone speaking confidently. You watch interviews and podcasts, and you think, I will never sound like that. But you are comparing your practice stage to someone's performance stage. You do not see their mistakes. You do not see their years of struggle. You only see the final result. Comparison steals courage. Instead, compare yourself to yesterday. Did you understand more? Did you speak a little longer? Did you try even when nervous? That is progress. Why shy people actually have advantage. Now listen carefully. Shy learners often become very strong speakers later. Why? Because they listen deeply. They observe carefully. They think before speaking. These are powerful skills. The problem is not your personality. The problem is lack of speaking exposure. When shy learners practice consistently, they often speak more clearly and thoughtfully than very confident beginners. So do not try to change who you are. Just expand your comfort zone slowly. The 30-day confidence plan. Let me give you something practical. If you follow this for 30 days, you will feel different. Week 1. Private speaking. Every day, speak alone for 10 minutes. Describe your day. Talk about your feelings. Explain your plans. No pressure, just flow. Week 2. Recorded speaking. Now record yourself every 2 days. Listen back calmly. Do not judge, just notice improvement. You will realize you sound better than you think. Week 3. Controlled interaction. Start writing comments in English. Reply to people online. Join small discussions. This builds interaction confidence without face-to-face pressure. Week 4. Small real conversations. Speak one sentence in real life. Ask one simple question. Share one opinion. Small action, big psychological shift. Confidence grows in layers. You are not afraid of English. You are afraid of judgment. But let me tell you something powerful. Most people are too busy worrying about themselves. They are not analyzing your grammar. They are not judging your pronunciation. They are thinking about their own problems. The spotlight you feel is mostly in your head. And even if someone notices your mistake, so what? Every fluent person was once a beginner. Every confident speaker once felt nervous. The only difference is they continued.
Stop saying, "I am bad at English." Start saying, "I am becoming confident in English." Identity shapes behavior. If you believe you are bad, you will avoid speaking. If you believe you are improving, you will take small risks, and small risks build strong voices. Imagine this future. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine yourself speaking English calmly, not perfectly, but naturally. You pause sometimes, you search for words, but you continue. That version of you already exists. It is not a different person. It is just you with more practice and less fear. If you feel shy, that means you care. You care about sounding good. You care about being understood. That is beautiful. Now transform that care into courage. Courage is not loud. Courage is quiet action. 1 sentence today, 2 sentences tomorrow, 1 minute next week, and one day someone will say, "Your English is very good," and you will smile, because you will remember the silent version of yourself who almost gave up. If this video made you feel understood, stay with this channel. We grow slowly, clearly, and confidently here. Subscribe and start building your brave voice today. You were never bad at English. You were just waiting to believe in yourself.